Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making garlic parm chicken wings. Garlic parm wings are one of the big sellers in most restaurants. I'm going to be sharing my recipe with you on how to make the garlic parm sauce. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 5 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Over a medium-low heat, we're gonna start melting in our butter and we're gonna add in our olive oil. Once the butter is completely melted, we're gonna go in with our garlic. We're just gonna lightly cook this for about a minute or two to get rid of that harsh, raw garlic taste. Then we go in with our parsley and our salt and pepper, and I'll meet you back at the cutting board. Our chicken wings are done. Now we're gonna ladle some of our garlic butter sauce all over these. We're gonna go in with 1/2 of our Parmesan cheese, give these a toss to coat, and then we're gonna plate it. To plate this up, you can use whatever bowl, plate, basket, whatever you want. I like to take them on a nice little small plate. Just pile them up nice and high like this, as many as you want. Just like that. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit more of our cheese, like so. Now let's get a bite. All right, let's get a bite. The wings are perfectly cooked. They're nice and crispy. Now, if you want to see how I did that, I have a video. I'll drop a link for that down below. But the sauce is the star here. The garlic is married throughout the butter because we let it kind of cook inside the butter. You got a nice earthy tone from the parsley and the Parmesan cheese has a nice slight salty tang to it. It's a really good garlic parm chicken wing. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I also have an outdoor channel if you're interested in that. I'll put a link down in the description. And if you'd like to support the channel, I have a Patreon and I'll drop a link in the description for that as well. We'll see you in the next one.